आज हम डिस्कशन करेंगे MS पावर पॉइंट पार्ट 2 जिसमें हम टॉप 20 पावर पॉइंट के क्वेश्चन डिस्कशन करेंगे जो कि बार बार परीक्षा में आ रहा है उसी के बारे में। चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम जूम परसेंटेज इन माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावर पॉइंट? आंसर 4। नेक्स्ट, shortcut key to insert a hyperlink in a slide? Answer Ctrl plus K. Next, to select more than one slide in the presentation? Answer Ctrl plus click on slide. Next, what is the shortcut key for repeat the recent find? Answer Shift plus F4. Next, which is the shortcut key to start a presentation from the beginning? Answer F5. Next, which type of template provide a design concept, fonts and color scheme for presentation? Answer design. Next, how to change the order of slide in presentation? Answer on slide sorter view, click on the slide and drag to required position. Next, how to create additional guidelines? Answer by holding Ctrl key, click on exiting guideline and drag. Next, what is the use of researching timings? Answer this option allows you to set the time of animation. Next, which is the shortcut key to jump to the first slide of the presentation? Answer Ctrl plus Home. Next, to place something in the same position on every slide of presentation, automatically insert into? Answer slide master. Next, what is custom show in PowerPoint? Answer creating presentation within a presentation. Next, in normal view, this tab display the content of each slide. Answer outline. Next, which is the menu to create a text box on a slide? Answer insert text box. Next, PowerPoint design templates are stored in a file with this extension. Answer .ppt. Next, which is the menu commands to recolor a picture on a slide? Answer format picture recolor. Next, in PowerPoint, when the mouse pointer appears as this, it indicates that the draw table features is on answer pencil. Next, what is the use of hide slide option? Answer, to hide the selected slide during presentation. Next, which option in PowerPoint allow you to create a package of your presentation for showing to another computer? Answer, pack and go. Next, which option can be used to set custom timings for slides in a presentation? Answer, rehearsal. Thank you watching for my YouTube channel.